back to you with a new video. If you like our video, please share to your friends, subscribe, and don't forget to click bell icon. This is our 7th example. In this, metals are there. Yes, Fe is nothing but iron. Metals is there. Non-metal, yes, S is there. Oxygen is there. Hydrogen, not there. Don't leave it. First, check with metals. Fe, only one. 1 into 1, 1. Here 2. Here 2. So, 2. 2. Now, 2. 2. Done. Non-metals, you need 2. 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4. Here only 1. So, 2. Now, metals again. 2. 2 done. Non-metals, 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4. 4 I need to. 4. Done. Understood? I have multiplied only 2. But this 2 does not belong to this now. You should not do like this. This is different and this is 4. Here, 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4. Done. Next. Oxygen. Only one is oxygen. 2. O2. O2. How many oxygens are there? Here 2 is there. Here 3. Plus 4 2s are 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. No, odd number. What I shall do? Now, I said no. Any odd number comes, I need to multiply. But I need to divide with the subscript 2. Subscript 2. Again, let me check from metal. Metals 2. 2 done. Non-metals 2 to the 4. 4 done. Oxygen. Okay, this is in the fraction form, na? In the oxygen, I can't count like this. Again, multiply this whole one with into 2. So that I should not get this fraction. 2 2 is 4. Plus 11 by 2 into 2. Cancel. 11 over 2. Gives rise to 2 Fe2O3 plus 8 SO2. Isn't it? Again check. Metals 4. 4. Here 2 2 is 4 done. 4 2 is 8. This 8 is done. 11 2 is 22. Now it becomes 11 2 is 22. Now oxygen, right? 2 3 is 6 plus 8 2 16. 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. 22. Then this will be your balance equation.